installation of Jupyter Notebook, first is make sure that you already have installed the Python. Ito. Go to the Python website, downloads, then download and install this one. So, ito siya. Ito. Sa inyo dyan is installation. Click nyo lang yan. And then, yan, installing yung Python. There is an update with sa kuya na laptop. So, therefore, pag-install niya yung update. But, kung ka mo pa na-install, kung wala pa, the pure installation yung nandyan. Let's wait for the setup to finish. Again, this is the installation of Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so upon successful installation, close nyo na siya. Try to run cmd, command prompt, and then just try Python. Pag nag-allow siya pag ganyan yung lumabas din, therefore, you have successfully installed Python. So, to exit, Control C. So, next is to install naman the Jupyter. So, type nyo lang, Jupyter Lab. Search nyo sa Google, Jupyter Lab. And then, nandito siya, installing Jupyter. Click this one. And then, ito yun. Install Jupyter Lab with pip. So, copy nyo yan. Copy. Paste nyo sa command prompt. And then, enter. So, sa inyo, you will be downloading the Jupyter Notebook. So, it is very crucial that meron kayong internet connection. Otherwise, hindi yan mai-install. So, required yung that you have an internet connection. So, pag natapos nyo na siya, na-download na, copy nyo yung next. Ito lang, yung dalawa lang. Jupyter Lab, ito lang siya. Then copy, and then paste, enter. Then, magra-run siya ng server, and then, ito na yung lalabas. You have a Jupyter Lab. So, sa Bidawi, so meron dito nakalagay na select kernel. So, isa-select nyo yung Python 3 kernel, IPY kernel. And then, check nyo to. Select. Para siya na yung maging default na lalabas for siya na yung default na lalabas or gagamitin ng Jupyter Lab is yung Python na pag-install nyo. So, as the default, ito yung lalabas. Itong screen na to. So, ang gagamitin nyo is the notebook. So, click nyo to. Yan. So, pwede na kayo maglagay ng code or mag-run ng code using this one. Just put, let's say for example, num1 plus num2 and then shift enter to run the code. Yan. So, yan. May error siya kasi hindi na-define. So, let's say for example, you have num1 here is equals to 1 and we have num2 is equals to 2. Again, shift enter. So, yan yung output. Pag nag-enter lang kayo, hindi ra-run yan. Ganyan lang lalabas. So, pag to run the code, either shift enter or click this one. Shift enter. Okay? So, that is how you install the Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab with the Python. Okay.